It is my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
What's up, guys, from the beautiful islands of the Philippines. I'm up here, I don't know, it's about 10 o'clock. Gotta go up to JJ's. Gotta pick up some things for the store. But I'm out. I'm gonna walk. Here we are, guys. Just gonna do a walk and talk from the walking street here. It's just, you see it, everything is closed. Do have a few people sitting at the entranceway, I guess security, but everything is done. I got this cool minor bird in here. Check out this minor bird. He's cool, right? He won't talk. You come by here sometimes and he's whistling and he's calling trikes and stuff. It's hilarious. You know, somebody asked a good question. I'm just gonna walk and talk. You guys look. There's nothing really to look at. Somebody asked if they are giving out relief boxes here in Angeles City. Now, I've been following the mayor's office webpage, and the mayor's doing a good job, and all those that are, that are running this show right now, I think are doing a good job. I know they have gotten together, these relief boxes with food and rice and things like that they're passing out to people. Now, where they're passing them out, I don't know. Couldn't tell you. They have not come into our area as far as I know. So can't even see who she is, and she's still got to hide her face. But me personally, here's my personal thought about these gift baskets or gift boxes or relief boxes, whatever you want to call them. I feel, this is just my opinion, I feel as a foreigner living here in the Philippines, you have a steady income. Or you wouldn't be living here, I guess, unless you have a really good job here. But you have a steady income. The people here don't make much show as it is. There's South Star. That's the one I was going to go to, but they're closed. The people here don't have much show as it is. And as a foreigner with a steady income every month, to accept a box like that, I feel is wrong. Now, if you accept it and give it to somebody that really needs it, or somebody that, can make better use out of it because they're struggling, is okay. But I feel, as a foreigner living here, to do and accept it, I think it's a selfish move personally. We don't need it. If I can go to the grocery store and stock up for weeks and weeks, if I can stock up for weeks and weeks and put it in my refrigerator, I don't need that box. I heard a story here of a gentleman here in Angeles City, Filipino, who was ready to commit suicide because he has 6 kids and he didn't know how he was going to be able to feed them. That's another selfish move too. You're doing that to and then now what? Now your kids don't have a father. But my point is, they're people are just that. I'm going to show you this one here. False advertisement. We are never closed. Well, yes you are. People are just that desperate. Instead of this man going out and robbing people and stealing for things, he was ready to take his own life. That's sad. But like I said, this is just my thoughts and what I believe. I would never take it. And if they dropped it off at my house, I would give it to somebody that needs it. I don't need it. That's just me. That's just me, and that's just how I feel. What else? What else is going on? Oh, they got these trucks out spraying again, which is okay. They got some type of, I guess, some type of chlorine or disinfect, or I don't know. When I smelled it, it kind of smelled like bleach. But here's the thing. They're doing this in the middle of the day, or in the day. I mean, we just seen it now, in the morning, mid-morning, afternoon. That should be done at night, when nobody's on the streets, when people aren't driving around, because they're spraying it all over. People riding by on cars, people riding by on motorcycles, you know, they're spraying it all over. You have a store like us, they come right down the road just spraying it all over the place, you know. These are the things that should be done at night, not in the middle of the day, not in the morning, not when people are out. At night, when everything is shut down, people are supposed to be in, that's when you do it. I remember back in America, we would have a mosquito problem, and they would go around at night. They would spray for mosquitoes at night. So, what else is going on? All right. Close, close, close. No takeout, nothing. All right. Envious. Close, close, close. No takeout, no delivery, no nothing. I think Philly's is the same way. I think they are now closed. No takeout, no nothing. Oh, no, thank you. The only street vendors you have out right now, they're all trying to sell the masks, Cialis, and Viagra. So the Cialis and Viagra, well, still goes on. Yeah, here's Philly's is completely closed. I don't think delivery, takeout, nothing. What else is going on? Oh, it's another one I read from the mayor's office. If you want to know what's going on, go on Facebook and Angeles City mayor's something or another, mayor's office or something like that, and you get all the information there. They had either 1 or 2 patients that were brought up. This is what I read, to the effect they were brought up. Let me go see back here if RBI is still open. They were brought up from Quezon City and put in one of these private hospitals up here. The mayor was not informed about it, and the mayor, let's put it this way, the mayor is pissed. He has threatened to pull their licenses and everything, not renew their permits. Hey, what's up? One of my subscribers, he's pissed. He ordered that hospital locked down. He put armed security there. No one will come and no one will go from there. He's pissed. You know, they came, supposedly they were brought up from Quezon City, and he was not informed about it. I don't know if it's the fact that he wasn't informed about it, or the fact that they brought 2 cases up here into our area. So, Queens Hotel, RBI. I will ask the security guy if RBI is still open for takeout and delivery. RBI still open? Takeout delivery? Okay, no, I just want to check. They're still open, takeout delivery.
Takeout, sir.
RBI.
Yes, sir.
Takeout. Cool. Thank you. All right. There it is. They're open for takeout. Takeout. I don't think you said delivery, but takeout. That's what I want to know. But yeah, that's another thing that's going on. What else? My medicine. Yo, you guys, thanks for all the great comments about my medicine. You know, I have one guy, I think he lives here, and he is going to go out and look for me. I gave him the name of my medicine. I mean, there are pharmacies all over. It's just, I don't want to, I mean, if I have to, if I need to, I would run all over the place. But I hit up the ones that were local that I've gone to. And yes, they had it. So that's cool. Skytrucks will be closed for a few days. A few days. Well, I think the few days have gone from a few days to a few weeks. Bunny Burger they were doing delivery and takeout, but now temporary close. Now they're temporary. Bunny Burger's temporary closed. So they are closed. I know they were doing delivery, or if not delivery, takeout. I know they were doing takeout there for a while. Excuse me. Nah. See, now that's, well, I won't say, I mean, it's trying to sell me, of course, Viagra and Cialis, because you need Viagra and Cialis in a lockdown, that's for sure. Some of these people need it. But I don't need a truck driver. That's what I was saying earlier. One of these guys come up as a foreigner and they ask you for a truck ride. Dude, think about it. Think about it. Me personally, I wouldn't. I would not do it. You just never know. Never know. That's all closed down. I don't know what's back there. I always see a line here. What's back there, Kuya? Palawan. Money changer.
Yeah.
Money sender and money. Yeah, okay. I always see a line here, so that's why. All right. Thank you. Huh? Oh, thank you. What's that? Yeah. Hang on. I had to close my bag. It's left open a little bit. No, thank you.
I'll give you a good price.
I don't need it. Even if you gave me a good price, Kuya, I don't need it. Oh yeah. Hey, they gotta make some money, right? They gotta make their money. Here's another one, Cebuana on the left-hand side here. It's a money changing place and a money sender place. This has been very full. Social distancing, kinda. Masks, 99% have masks. No thank you. Here it is, South Star. They saved the day yesterday. Alright, we're coming up here on JJ's. Coming up to JJ's. Got a shoe guy open in case you blow out your shoe while you're walking. 7-Eleven is open. I know. It's another one. This is the Western Union right here. Line is not that bad, but I've come through here and it is a line down the road here. I mean, they're money changer. They're money sending places, pickup and sending. I have noticed more fruit and vegetable stands have been popping open. We are coming up on Margarita Station here on the left. They are completely shut down and closed. Hello.
Locked down.
Oh, they were open for pickup, but now they are closed. There it is. Margarita Station will be closed starting Saturday the 28th of March 2020 till further notice. So they, like I said, they were open. They were doing takeout. Closed now. There's a line for JJ's. It is not bad at all. Not bad at all. You got security here. Boy, they got the police security here, or the military security here. Yeah, military security. Maybe they had problems here. I don't know. Line's not bad. I seen this line one time earlier this week, stretching all the way down the road. The line's not bad. These young bucks here. Can't buy no loads. The load place is closed. Why the clothing place is open to buy clothes, I have no clue. That's of zero value to the community, but they're open. Hello, hello.
What's your blogger?
Philly in the Philippines.
Huh?
Philly in the Philippines.
In the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, hello. DVD guy. I guess that makes sense. You need to watch movies while you're locked in. I'll come up here to the corner and show you. Show you this here. By the money changer, 30.50. Not a, it's okay. 30.50 is okay. There's a kitty. All these other ones are closed here. This money changer is closed. This one here on the corner is open. This one's open, 50.30. There's police, PMP, PMP. And check this out, guys. They have this all here blocked off going down this street here. A lot of these roads coming up through here are blocked off. Going all the way down. You got to go all the way down to the Petron station. Once you get down there, you can turn left, but all these they're all closed off. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. It's kind of a little walk and talk. Show you what's going on here. Got to go to JJ's now, pick up some things for the store. Remember, guys, keep yourself safe, keep yourself healthy. Watch after the sick, watch after the young ones. Watch out for the elderly. Take care of them. And you know what? We'll get through this, and that's about it, and that's a wrap.